This isn't just any 1970 C10. I'm not just any truck guy. This build has a story and I'm here to tell it. What's up everyone, I'm Alberto, Marine Corps veteran, classic truck lover, and the guy behind the OG C10 Life. I started this channel to share my journey, restoring and enjoying this truck, to inspire others chasing their own builds and maybe help a few folks avoid the mistakes I made along the way, and there were quite a few. I'm based here in Texas, and when I'm not working or spending time with my family, you'll probably find me right here in the garage, covered in grease, wrenching on this beauty. This is my 1970 Chevrolet C10. When I first brought her home, she had the classic patina, rust, fade paint, and tired small block. But I saw a lot of potential. What is she packing today? She has a Blueprint Crate 350 paired with a TH350 transmission, a Holley carb sitting on top, and a rear-mounted gas tank for a cleaner look. I still have the old gas cap feel that keeps her a classic. And because Texas summers, are no joke, I added a vintage air system. Now we can cruise in comfort while staying true to the old style. It's alive. It's called the OG C10 Garage Co, a DIY auto shop and community space for people who live and breathe this lifestyle. You'll get to see that dream unfold right here on this channel. This channel isn't just about my truck. It's about building, driving, and respecting these classics. I'll be sharing restoration tips, mod videos, road trips, and garage updates as we bring the OG C10 Garage to life. So if you're into square bodies, classic trucks, or just want to see a guy chase his dream one bolt at a time, this is your spot. Hit subscribe, drop a comment with your dream classic, and join me for the ride. This is the OG C10 Life, and we're just getting started.